Guys, this is Akshay back with another video. Today we are going to learn about smart and satellite cities. A smart city is an urban area that uses different types of electronic methods and sensors to collect data. Insights gained from this data are used to manage assets, resources, and services efficiently. In return, that data is used to improve the operations across the city. Characteristics of a smart city. The basic characteristics of a smart city are to make over efficient use of physical infrastructure, that is roads, built environment and other physical assets, through artificial intelligence and data analytics to support a strong and healthy economic, social, cultural development. Engage efficiently with local people in local governance and decision by use of open innovation process and e-participation, improving the collective intelligence of the city's institutions through e-governance with emphasis placed on citizen participation and co-design. Learn, adapt and innovate and thereby respond more efficiently and promptly to changing circumstances by improving the intelligence of the city. They evolve towards a strong integration of all dimensions of human intelligence, collective intelligence, and also artificial intelligence within the city. The intelligence of the city resides in the increasingly effective combination of the digital telecommunication networks, ubiquitously embedded intelligence, sensors and tags, and software. So friends, now let us know what are the top 10 smart cities in the world. They are New York, London, Paris, Tokyo, Reykjavik, Singapore, Seoul, Toronto, Hong Kong and Amsterdam. There are also some fastest growing smart cities that are Berlin, Dubai, Oslo, Boston, etc. Satellite cities. Satellite cities are planned cities adjacent to a major city. Such cities manage or contain the urban sprawl. They are designed to help a major city extended in all possible ways. Satellite cities could be completely standalone cities developed outside metros. In simpler words, satellite city or satellite towns are smaller municipalities that are adjacent to a major city, which is the core of a metropolitan area. So friends, I want to say that satellite cities and smart cities are totally different. They cannot be compared in any of the aspects. Characteristics of a satellite city. The basic characteristic is that it should be a smaller city near a large metropolitan city which has its own local government and economy, which is independent of the neighboring large city. There are a lot of influences from the large city nearby on the satellite city. Satellite cities have their own culture, own history and their own independent economic infrastructure. The satellite cities are interconnected with the larger cities but are completely independent of the large city nearby. Sometimes the large city nearby is called the parent city, and these satellite cities are locally known within the state but are not as famous all over the world as much as the larger parent city is. So coming to the most famous satellite cities. As I told, satellite cities are not as famous as the parent city, but there are some satellite cities which are very famous in India and all over the world. Like High-Tech City in Hyderabad, Gurugram in Delhi are famous in India. Gold Coast in Queensland is satellite of Brisbane. Wollongong and Gosford is the satellite of city Sydney. Satellite cities are there all over the world in Asia, Europe, South America and Africa, wherever there are major cities and urban areas. Now coming to my favorite topic, that is smart cities versus urban cities. Smart cities use technology, information and data to improve infrastructure and services, including access to water, electricity, affordable homes, education, health services and IT connectivity. Urban cities also use technology but in a limited way. Anyway, urban cities also have all of the things mentioned in smart cities like access to electricity, water, education, health services, etc. Smart cities have sensors everywhere, and the information of the whole smart city resides in one building, which is the main hub. There are no sensors in urban cities, but the urban cities have CCTV and human labor, and the information doesn't reside in one building but in different sectors of the respective work. And the main hub, which is in smart cities, which is the main hub, the one building, it's known as ABCD building generally. Smart cities need less human labor, whereas urban cities need more human labor. But it's very difficult and cost efficient to build a smart city, and it's not cost efficient to build a smart city. It needs a lot of money, especially in a greenfield project. But in urban cities, by taking up a brownfield project, we can change a town to an urban city with low cost compared to smart cities. And also, an urban city can be made into a smart city by taking up another brownfield project with low investment when again compared to smart cities. Now, guys, greenfield project is a project when we start from the beginning on a barren land. But a brownfield project is that when we start something with the available facilities or resources. Now, coming to our case study 1, that is Dholera Smart City. This is the India's first smart city located in Gujarat. Dholera Smart City invites a large manufacturers to set shop, offer early bird incentives. The Dholera Special Investment Region DSIP is proposed as a major new and 130 km from Gandhinagar within the Saurashtra Peninsula. The site covers an area of about 920 square kilometers of land bordering the Gulf of Khambat. The DSIR is the first investment region to be designated under the proposed Delhi-Mumbai Industrial Corridor project, that is DMIC, a joint Indian and Japanese initiative to create a linear zone of development along dedicated freight corridor railway line. As I told, it covers a footprint of over 920 square kilometers. Dholera is the biggest of the 8 industrial smart cities being developed, the first phase of $100 billion. Coming to our next case study, that is case study 2, High-Tech City. High-Tech City is a busy tech industry hub. It's filled with offices, parks, and served by Indian, Italian, and BBQ restaurants and fast food outlets, of course, clustered mainly around the High-Tech City main road. Shilparamam is a craft village displaying and selling work by artisans all over India, and home to a sculpture park and museum. High-Tech City is spread across 81 HA, that is 200 acres, of land under suburbs of Madhapur, Gachibowli, Kondapur, Manikonda, and Nanakramguda. All are combined technology townships, is also known as Hyderabad, with radius of 56.48 kilometers, surrounding approximate area of 6,100 HA, that is 15,000 acres. High-Tech City is within 2 kilometers of the residential and commercial suburbs of Jubilee Hills. Thank you, guys. Hope you liked my video and hope it was informative. If you liked my video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss any of my videos. Thank you, and once again thank you, and bye bye.